हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में 9th क्लास बायोलॉजी चैप्टर नंबर 1 के एक्सटेंसिव आंसर क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ बायोलॉजी इज रिलेटेड विद अदर साइंसेस, शो एंड एक्सप्लेन द लिंक। और relate that biology connects with other natural sciences. Students should be able to distinguish in terms of the broad subjects matter the below fields: biophysics, biochemistry, computational biology, biogeography, biostatistics, biotechnology, and bioeconomics. Answer: Biophysics. Biological organisms work on the principles and laws of physics is called biophysics. For example, movement of muscles and bones. Second, biochemistry. The study of chemical components and chemical reactions takes place in an organism is called biochemistry. Living organisms consist of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Third, biostatistics या फिर biometry. To collecting and analysis various biological data or facts according to statistical rules is called biostatistics, biometry. Fourth, computational biology. In biological system, the use of data analysis, mathematical modeling, and computational simulation is called computational biology. For example, process of locating DNA on chromosomes. Fifth, biogeography. The study of distribution of plants and animals in different geographical regions of the world is called biogeography. Biotechnology. Sixth, use of different techniques to manipulate the living organisms for the benefit of mankind is called biotechnology. Seventh, bioeconomics. Seventh, bioeconomics. The study of biology from economic point of view is called bioeconomics. For example, production of fish and rice, etc. Question number 2. How biology can lead to career of medicine, surgery, fisheries, agricultural, animal husbandry, biotechnology, horticulture, farming, forestry. First, medicine and surgery. Medicine is the diagnosis and treatment of different diseases. Surgery is treats diseases by removal or replacement of the defective parts. Career MBBS. Fisheries. The fisheries sector makes a significant contribution to the economy. Careers: fish farming. Third, farming and agriculture. Farming is the growth of crops and animals, while culture is the science of improving farming methods. Careers: agricultural engineering, etc. Fourth, animal husbandry. It is the care and breeding of domestic animals. Careers: animal training, etc. Fifth, biotechnology. Use of living organisms or their components to make useful products. Careers: virology, etc. Fourth, horticulture. Horticulture means the art of gardening. Careers: horticulture, etc. 7. Forestry. It is the science of planting, managing, and caring for forests. Careers: forest ecology, etc. Question number 3. Explain that science is a collaborative field. Answer. Science is a collaborative field. First point. Scientists from worldwide share ideas and make progress. Second point. Some study familiar things while others have different knowledge that can help. Third point. Researchers from different fields work together to create new scientific knowledge is called interdisciplinary research collaboration. They find solutions and discover new things. For example, cognitive science combines knowledge from neurology, psychology, anthropology, linguistics, environmental engineering, pharmacology, and statistics. Women's studies combine gender, history, literature, and biology. Public health combines information from medicine, sociology, and psychology. Bioinformatics combine biology and information technology to understand data. Emerging careers: bioinformatics, biomedical engineers, astrobiologists, astrobiologists. Example: International Space Station, where USA, Europe, Russia, and Japan work together. Question number 4. Why is biology important for the welfare of human beings? Give reasons. Answer. Biology, the study of life and living organisms, is very important for the welfare of human beings. It enhances our understanding of the human body, the environment, and other forms of life, and applies his knowledge to improve quality of life. First, medical advances. Biology helps us to understand diseases and leads to development of treatment, vaccines, and diagnostic tools. This knowledge improves public health and helps fight health crises. Second, agricultural improvement. Plant biology and genetics improve food production, nutritional quality, and food security. GMOs help face problems like pest, drought, and soil issues. Third, environmental conservation. Biology helps us understand ecosystems, protect endangered species, restore habitats, and maintain balance. Fourth, biotechnology. Biological knowledge is used to produce biofuels, biodegradable plastics, medicines, and for cleaning pollutants. Fifth, understanding human physiology. Biology explains nutrition, reproduction, aging, and health. This helps people make informed decisions about lifestyle and wellness. Sixth, public health. Biology is important for tracking and controlling outbreaks by identifying pathogens and their transmission. Seventh, genetics and personalized medicines. Advances in genetics allow treatments and preventive measures to be tailored to individuals. Eighth, sustainability. Biology develops practices that reduce environmental impact and ensure resources for future generations. Conclusion. Biology is important for healthcare, agriculture, environment, and human survival. Continued research can solve challenges of the modern world. Question number 5. Give at least 10 examples of farming of animals which can improve economy of Pakistan. Describe the product and benefits of each example as well. Answer. Pakistan's economy can benefit from different types of animals farming. It can improve food security, increase exports, create jobs, and support rural areas. First, dairy farming, cows and buffaloes. Products: milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. Benefits: Pakistan is among top milk producing countries. Expanding dairy farming meets demand, allow exports, and creates rural jobs. Second, poultry farming. Products: eggs, meat, and feathers. Benefits: meats protein demand, requires low investment, gives quick return, supports small farmers. Third, goat farming. Products: meat, milk, skin, fibers. Benefits: adaptable to Pakistan's climate, provides quality meat and milk in demand locally and abroad. Goat skin is useful in leather industry. Fourth, sheep farming. Products: meat, wool, skin. Benefits: provides wool for textile industry, meat, and leather. Wool is also exported. Fifth, camel farming. Products: milk, meat, leather. Benefits: suited to arid regions. Camel milk is nutritious and leather is durable. Sixth, fish farming. Aquaculture. Products: fish, shrimp. Benefits: provides seafood without using wild stocks, improves food security and export of high value shrimp. 7. Beekeeping apiculture. Products: honey, beeswax, pollen. Benefits: low cost farming with high demand, also supports pollination of crops. 8. Cattle fattening. Products: beef, leather. Benefits: produces quality beef for domestic and export markets. Provides leather for textile industry. 9. Silkworm farming. Sericulture. Products: only silk. Benefits: produces quality silk for export, low investment, creates rural jobs especially for women. Ostrich farming. Products: meat, feathers, and leather. Benefits: provides lean and healthy meat, decorative feathers, and luxury leather. Conclusion: these farming practices can improve Pakistan's economy through exports, jobs, and diversification. With training and infrastructure, benefits can be increased. Question number 6. Discuss biological method of study and its application. Biological method definition: it is a process for establishing facts through experimentation and testing. There's a flow chart जो कि सारे स्टेप्स हैं इसमें बायोलॉजिकल मेथड्स के, आपको इजीली बुक में मिल जाएगा. पहले हमारे पास रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, देन ऑब्जर्वेशन, डेवलपमेंट हाइपोथेसिस, मेक डिडक्शन, परफॉर्म एक्सपेरिमेंट, देन आगे टू ब्रांचेस में जाएगा, कंट्रोल ग्रुप एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटल ग्रुप, देन इन्फर रिजल्ट। फिर हमारे पास दो ऑप्शंस होंगे, हाइपोथेसिस नॉट स्पॉटेड एंड हाइपोथेसिस इज स्पॉटेड। जहां स्पॉटेड होगा वहां पे एक्सपेरिमेंट और रिजल्ट में सुजेस्ट फर्दर रिसर्च, देन थ्योरी, देन प्रिंसिपल। ये साइंटिफिक मेथड की स्टडी है जो कि स्टेप्स में है। Biological methods के steps. It has the following steps. First, recognition of a problem. Second, observation and identification. Third, building up hypothesis. Fourth, drawing deductions. Fifth, devising experiment. Sixth, result. First step हम देखेंगे recognition of the biological problem. Biological problem is a question related to living organisms that asked by someone or comes in researcher mind. Second step, observation. Observations are made by five senses of vision, hearing, smell, taste and touch. Observation दो टाइप की होती है, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative observation is based on some quality or characteristics, and quantitative observation is based on measurable values expressed in numbers and more accurate. क्वालिटेटिव और क्वांटिटेटिव का डिफरेंस देखेंगे अब हम। क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव ऑब्जर्वेशंस, subjective method and objective method. Characteristic of thing and quantitative observation is quantify things, not accurate and not measurable kind of observation. Quantitative is accurate and measurable kind of observation. Qualitative observation use of five senses sight, smell, touch, taste and hearing. Quantitative observation use measuring instruments like ruler, balance, scale, etc. Third step, formulation of hypothesis. Hypothesis is a tentative and testable explanation of the observations that might be true, include following characteristics. It should be general statement, tentative idea, agree with the available observations, testable and potentially falsifiable. फोर्थ स्टेप है हमारे पास डिडक्शंस. डिडक्शंस आर द लॉजिकल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ द हाइपोथेसिस. इट इन्वॉल्व्स इफ एंड देन लॉजिक. एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. Experiments are performed to prove if hypothesis is true or not, through which biologist learns which hypothesis is correct. Result, sixth step. The biologists gather actual quantitative data from experiments to draw results. क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें बताया कि हमने एप्लीकेशन भी बतानी है, तो एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल मेथड. फर्स्ट, मेडिकल रिसर्च. अंडरस्टैंडिंग डिजीजेस, डेवलपिंग ट्रीटमेंट एंड वैक्सीन्स. एग्जाम्पल, COVID-19 vaccines were developed by studying virus biology, infection of cells and immune system response. Second application, conservation biology. Identifying causes of species decline and devising strategies. For example, decline of bee population led to research on pesticides, climate change and habitat loss. Third application, agriculture. Enhancing crop yields, developing pest-resistant crops and improving practices. Genetic studies and experiments led to GMOs that withstand harsh conditions or resist pests. Fourth application is environmental science, understanding ecosystems, biodiversity and impacts of human activity. For example, studying pollution effects and aquatic life, improve waste management practices. Fifth application is biotechnology, applying biological knowledge to develop products that improve life, such as biofuel from algae or biodegradable plastics. Question number 7. How biological method is applied to find the cause of malaria? और second question क्या हो सकता है? Describe the steps of scientific method, that is recognition, observation, hypothesis, deduction, experiments and results to find the cause of malaria. Answer. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Recognition of the problem. Malaria was the problem since ancient times, but its cause was not known. Observation. 4 major observations about malaria. First, malaria and marshy areas have some relation. Second, quinine is an effective drug for treating malaria. Third, drinking the water of marshes does not cause malaria. Fourth, Plasmodium is seen in the blood of malarial patient. Hypothesis. Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. Deduction. Deductions are the logical consequences of the hypothesis. It involves if and then logic. If Plasmodium is the cause of malaria, then all persons ill with malaria should have Plasmodium in their blood. Experiments. Blood of 100 patients and healthy person was examined under microscope. The result showed that only 7 out of 100 healthy persons had Plasmodium in their blood. After few days, those 7 healthy persons became ill with malaria. Results that malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Results announced worldwide which helped to control malaria. Question number 8. Explain use of biological method to understand the spread of malaria, or elaborate on the steps of the scientific method and explain how they contribute to the development of scientific knowledge. Answer. Biological method help to find that mosquitoes spread malaria. Recognition of the problem. First step. After the confirmation that malaria is caused by Plasmodium, find how it gets in the blood of man. It was found that malaria is associated with marshes. Second, drinking water of marshes does not cause malaria. Problem in this study was to find that agent. Observations. A.F.A. King observations were: first, people who slept outdoors were more likely to get malaria than those who slept indoors. Second, people who slept people who did not sleep under fine nets were more likely to get malaria than those who slept under fine nets. Third, people who slept near smoky fire did not get malaria. थर्ड स्टेप पे हमारे पास हाइपोथेसिस. Mosquitoes transmit Plasmodium, so are involved in the spread of malaria. Deductions. Following deductions were made considering the hypothesis true. Deduction 1 and deduction 2. Deduction 1 is Plasmodium should be present in mosquito, and second deduction is a mosquito can get Plasmodium by biting a malarial patient. experiments on malaria transmission. King's experiment. A female mosquito was allowed to bite a man suffering from malaria. After some days, Plasmodium was found multiplying in the mosquito's stomach. रोज एक्सपेरिमेंट डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट ने डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए थे. हमने पहले साइंटिस्ट को देखा. सेकंड है हमारे पास रोज एक्सपेरिमेंट. Female mosquitoes were allowed to bite sparrows suffering from malaria. Later, these mosquitoes were allowed to bite healthy sparrows. After a few days, the healthy sparrows also became ill with malaria. थर्ड साइंटिस्ट है हमारे पास इटालियन बायोलॉजिस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट. A female mosquito was allowed to bite a man suffering from malaria. The mosquito was kept for a few days and then allowed to bite a healthy man. The healthy man later became ill with malaria. Results. All these experiments confirmed that mosquitoes transmit Plasmodium and spread malaria. Thank you. Keep going. Success is near. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.